Hello friends, today I am sharing with you a Vachana of Basavanna. In this Vachana, Basavanna says that caste is not important, but the work a person does is more important. In this Vachana, Basavanna says that Valmiki Maharshi, Vedavyasa Maharshi, Durvasa Maharshi, Markandeya Maharshi, they weren't born as Brahmins, but they attained Brahman or they became Brahman by their work. So Basavanna was a progressive thinker, poet, politician, philosopher, and he was a very great thinker. He was very much ahead of his time. He lived in Karnataka in 12th century. He has written a lot of vachanas. They are very much of progressive thinking. In this vachana, Basavanna says that the Rishimunis weren't born as upper caste men. So in this vachana he says that Vyasa Maharshi was a son of a fisher woman. Means he was born from the Satyavati. Vyasa Maharshi has written, everyone knows that the author of Mahabharata is Vyasa Maharshi. Markandeya Maharshi. Maharshi Markandeya is said to be immortal or Chiranjeevi. He got the boon from Lord Shiva. He did lot of sadhana. Lord Shiva gave him the boon to become Ajaramara. Mandodari. Here Basavanna has taken the name of Mandodari because she was born from frog. It is said that in the Purana it is written that the Mandodari was born from frog. The Mandodari was the wife of King Ravana. She was the queen of Lanka. Here Mandodari was a great woman because she opposed her powerful husband Ravana for kidnapping Sita. Agastya Maharshi was an hunter. Agastya Maharshi brought Kaveri river from heaven. Durvasa was a cobbler. Durvasa Muni is famous for his short temper, but he was a great saint. He gave Kunti the boon to get 6 children. Kashyapa. Kashyapa Maharshi was blacksmith. It is said that Kashmir name is derived from the Muni Kashyapa. He was a blacksmith, means he was a designer or architect. Kaundinya Maharshi was barberer. See, it is said that Kaundinya Muni wrote about the atomic theory. So he knew the 3 lokas, means here the Basavanna says that Muru Bhuvanavan Ariye, means he knew the 3 lokas. In this poem, as we are saying this, these Rishimunis didn't belong to, weren't born as Brahmins, but they attained Brahmanhood. Here the moral of this vachana is that the work is more important or the karma is important than the caste. Now it is in Kannada language, I will explain you. Vyasa Boitiya Maga, Markandeya Matangiya Maga. Means the Vyasa Maharshi's mother was a fisher woman. Markandeya Rishi's mother was a lower caste woman. Mandodari Kappeya Magalu. Mandodari was born from frog. Kulava Naradirimbo. Don't look at others' caste or find in the caste. Kulavan Nenadirimbo. The caste in which a person is born doesn't decide his destiny. Sakshat Agastya Kabila. Agastya Rishi was hunter. Durvasa Machiga. Durvasa Muni a cobbler. Kashyapa Kamara. Kashyapa Muni was blacksmith. Kaundinya Maharshi Muru Bhuvanavariya Navida Kanivo was a barberer. Namma Kudala Sangamana Vachana Vintendudu Shwapachopi Yadarenu Shiva Bhaktane Kulajanu. Means our Lord Kudala Sangama says, in whichever caste one is born, it doesn't make difference until he is Shiva Bhakta, a man of good deeds. Basavanna's pen name was Kudala Sangama Deva. The moral of this vachana is karma is more important than kula. So friends, if you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.